Unlocking passive income. Is VYM ETF the right pick? What is the VYM ETF? The VYM ETF, or Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, is a passively managed exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the FTSE High Dividend Yield Index. This index comprises U.S. companies with a history of paying high dividends relative to their stock price. VYM aims to provide investors with exposure to a diversified portfolio of high dividend-paying stocks in a single, cost-effective package. What are the key benefits of investing in VYM? VYM offers several potential benefits for investors, including 1. High dividend yield. VYM has a historical dividend yield consistently above 3%, significantly higher than the average S&P 500 yield. This translates to regular income payments for investors who hold the ETF. 2. Diversification. VYM holds over 400 different stocks, providing broad exposure to various sectors and industries. This diversification helps to mitigate risk and reduce the impact of individual company performance on the overall portfolio. 3. Lower costs. ETFs typically have lower expense ratios than actively managed mutual funds. VYM boasts a low expense ratio of 0.06%, making it a cost-effective way to access high-dividend stocks. 4. Liquidity and convenience. VYM trades like a regular stock on major exchanges, offering investors high liquidity and convenient buying and selling options. What are the potential risks of investing in VYM? While VYM offers several attractive features, it's important to be aware of potential risks. 1. Dividend volatility. While VYM focuses on high dividend stocks, individual companies may cut or suspend their dividends unexpectedly. This can impact the overall income generated by the ETF. 2. Interest rate sensitivity. High dividend stocks tend to be more sensitive to changes in interest rates. Rising rates can make these stocks less attractive compared to fixed income investments, potentially leading to price declines. 3. Limited capital appreciation. VYM primarily focuses on income generation through dividends rather than capital appreciation. While the ETF may experience price growth over time, it generally lags behind growth-oriented investments. 4. Sector concentration. VYM has a higher concentration in certain sectors, such as utilities and consumer staples, which may underperform relative to other sectors during specific market cycles. Who is VYM suitable for? VYM is a good fit for investors seeking 1. Regular income. Retirees, income investors, and individuals living off their investments can benefit from VYM's consistent dividend payouts. 2. Portfolio diversification. VYM can complement growth-oriented investments by providing income and reducing overall portfolio volatility. 3. Long-term investment horizon. VYM is best suited for long-term investors who can tolerate market fluctuations and focus on the long-term income potential. How does VYM compare to other high-dividend ETFs? Several other high-dividend ETFs compete with VYM, each with its own unique characteristics. Some popular alternatives include 1. HDV. Dow Jones U.S. High Dividend ETF. HDV tracks a different high dividend index with a slightly lower yield and expense ratio than VYM. 2. SPHD. SPDR Portfolio High Dividend ETF. SPHD focuses on large-cap U.S. companies with a strong track record of dividend growth. 3. DVY. iShares Select Dividend ETF. DVY offers exposure to global high-dividend stocks, providing further diversification than VYM's US-centric focus. The choice between VYM and other high-dividend ETFs depends on individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and desired portfolio composition. Carefully comparing features and expense ratios before making an investment decision is crucial. How can I invest in VYM? VYM is available for purchase through most major brokerage firms. You can buy and sell shares of VYM, just like any other stock, with real-time quotes and trading available throughout market hours. What are some additional considerations for investing in VYM? Before investing in VYM, it's important to 1. Assess your risk tolerance. High-dividend stocks can be volatile, so ensure you're comfortable with potential price fluctuations. 2. Define your investment goals. Clearly understand how VYM fits into your overall investment strategy and desired income needs. 3. Consider diversification. Don't rely solely on VYM for your income or portfolio exposure. Diversify across different asset classes and sectors to manage risk. 4. Conduct your research. Analyze VYM's historical performance, holdings, and risk factors before making an investment decision. In conclusion, the VYM ETF offers a compelling option for income-oriented investors seeking regular dividend payments and portfolio diversification. While potential risks exist, including dividend volatility and interest rate sensitivity, VYM's track record of consistent dividend growth and its broad diversification make it a solid choice for many investors. However, it's crucial to understand its limitations and consider it within your overall investment strategy.